Why do 100% of butterflies start life as caterpillars? Let's dive into the dazzling world of butterflies. Butterflies are nature's flying rainbows. Did you know their bodies are split into 3 parts? The head, thorax, and abdomen. The head is where all the action happens, sensing, tasting, and more. Butterflies sport 2 antennae to sniff out scents and sometimes chat with their pals. And that long, curly proboscis? It's like a straw. Perfect for sipping nectar from flowers. Their eyes? Super cool. They're large, compound, and great at spotting movement and colors. With 2 pairs of dazzling wings, butterflies are expert flyers. These wings are covered in tiny scales that create their vibrant patterns. And don't forget those 6-jointed legs, they're pros at perching and climbing. So next time you see a butterfly, remember, there's more than meets the eye. Ready for a pop quiz? Let's see what you've learned about these winged wonders.